Hi, welcome to Middle School Math Back to School Night.
I'm Miss Porter. This is a little information about me.
And I'm Mrs. Schomburg.
Some information about our math class. Everything is in Google Classroom, both for in-person and virtual learners. We have a class of 2021, 2022, and 2023 Google Classroom for each class, for each grade, I should say. General information is given in there, such as schedule changes or whole class information. Math classwork is in the Math Google Classroom. Each grade has their own Math Google Classroom. Due dates are clearly listed in Google Classroom and on OnCourse as well. Please be sure to check your students' OnCourse grades frequently, and students should also be checking their OnCourse grades frequently. We're doing our best to encourage students to be responsible for their schoolwork and to advocate for themselves.
Please accept the Guardian invitation for Google Classroom so that you will be sent a weekly report of your students' completion of work. We focus on effort. Students are encouraged to ask questions when they need help and to communicate with us on a regular basis. Communication is a key. 5 points per day will be deducted for a late assignment. If the student is having issues completing their work, they are expected to communicate with teachers. Since the majority of our work is online, whether in-person learning is taking place or at home, Chromebooks need to be fully charged when students arrive at school each morning. A missing or uncharged Chromebook will result in a 0 for that day's assignment.
For our virtual learners, students working from home follow the same schedule as if they were in school. So this means working on math during math class and working on other subjects during their scheduled times. For our Google Meets, your expectations are to arrive on time at your scheduled time, participate. You can either use the microphone or chat box to communicate. And the chat box is for short conversations and to communicate with teachers. Students at home are also able to order breakfast and lunch online on the school website. There's a link in the class of 2021, 2022, or 2023 Google Classroom.
Some contact information that you might want to write down, or it will always be on this slide presentation. The Remind app, we're using the Remind app, which is one of the simplest ways to communicate with us. Both students and the parents can join, and obviously you can see the 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade have different numbers that you need to log into. Emails also, Ms. Porter's is there, mporter at New Hanover, and P. Schomburg at New Hanover. So please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or concerns about anything.
We're looking forward to a great year with you, and please keep in touch with us. Let us know if you have any questions, like Mrs. Schomburg said, or if you need anything at all. Have a great night.
Thank you.